In developing news tonight, Disability Rights Oregon suing the city of Grants Pass with Oregon Law Center. The lawsuit says that the city of Grants Pass homeless regulations are cruel and forcing people with disabilities to live in life-threatening conditions.
Newswatch 12's Brinkley Hill learned more about this lawsuit and what it means for the city's homeless population.
Today, I spoke to Tom Stetson, who's a deputy legal director at Disability Rights Oregon. DRO is representing 5 people who are all disabled and currently living homeless in Grants Pass. DRO said it's been trying to work with the city on their homeless policies since September of 2024, but the city has been radio silent. The human rights group was concerned about the city's campsites and the continuous decision to downsize the space where homeless people could be, most recently at the J Street site on January 24th.
They've been thrown out on the streets in the middle of January with nowhere safe to go. The least the city can do is not criminalize their existence as people who are homeless and people who have disabilities.
Grants Pass did win their Supreme Court case over the summer to be able to dictate where homeless people can sleep on city property. But there are local and state laws that still impact a city's homeless policies. One says that a city's policy has to be reasonable. Stetson says that asking hundreds of homeless people to camp overnight at the 7th Street site is unreasonable because they can't all fit into a quarter-of-an-acre site. Stetson also said that because the only campsite for homeless people in the city is only for overnight use, it discriminates against disabled people who cannot pack up their belongings and leave every morning at 7 a.m.
I have clients who are in wheelchairs, elderly people who use canes. You know, it's physically impossible to do this constant work of tearing down your campsite, setting it back up again.
Stetson says that he hopes that through this lawsuit, the city will be able to create better policies and resources for the unhoused community of Grants Pass.
One of the things that comes around when cities are trying to create these really harsh policies, the problem is they punish everybody. The way forward for people is to find a better way to address this problem.
I reached out to the city of Grants Pass, who has no comment on the lawsuit at this time. I'll continue to follow this lawsuit and what it means for the city and the homeless community and update you when I have more answers. Reporting in studio, I'm Brinkley Hill.